Are you stuck on a bass that you absolutely love playing but has a bad sound? Then this video is for you.
Hi there! Back in 2009 I bought a Precision bass kit from Thomann. It was by a then unknown brand called Harley-Benton. It was way before they started selling complete instruments for very low price points. I guess Harley-Benton is a pretty popular brand today, isn't it? I have checked the order confirmation email I got from Thomann back in 2009. Yes, I've still got that email. And I figured out I spent about 89 euros for the instrument. Now, I was able to track it down on the Thomann website even today, and the price has been raised to 99 euros, which is not too bad. It's less than the inflation rate, I think. By the way, if you want to build your next bass, I strongly suggest that you give one of these kits a try. It was such a great learning experience for me. By the way, they're pretty basic instruments, but there's nothing too bad with them. My biggest issue at the moment is that the pickups are a bit too muddy. So let's hear a clip together and see how it sounded before the upgrade. And so I opened the Amazon website looking for cheap replacement for the stock pickups of my bass. I stumbled upon these Alnico 5 pickups by Artec, and I decided to try them because I've had good experience with the brand Artec in the past. While I was at it, I also got some €6 cream-colored covers for the pickups. That was not necessary in any way, but I decided to get them to better match the color theme of the bass. After replacing the pickups with the new ones, I was pleased. These have more high-end, more low-end, and less muddiness in the mids. I would call these Artec pickups like modern alternatives to the stock pickups. Anyway, judge for yourself. Here's some more clips of me playing the bass with the upgraded pickups. After playing a bit with the new pickups, I realized there is now a new issue that wasn't there with the old ones. I'm referring to the fact that when you touch the pole pieces while not touching the strings, it can happen, you have this loud buzzing noise that drives me crazy. Well, here's a clip so that you can see for yourself. After a bit of research online, I finally figured it out. The Artec pickups sound nice, but the manufacturer didn't bother with actually grounding the poor pieces. I've learned that this is an issue also with Fender original pickups, which is a bit crazy if you ask me. Luckily, the fix to this issue is not to do. You just have to put some adhesive foil or a metal strip to the back of the pickups, touching the exposed poles. Then you have to solder a wire from one coil to the other, and finally, wire a jumper to the pickup ground. Takes about 20 minutes with a soldering iron. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed my little test of the Artec Alnico 5 pickups for precision bass. If you're the kind of person that enjoys subscribing to YouTube channels, feel free to do so, or not. Anyway, see you next time.